Sweets, welcome back to the channel today. Yes, I hope you guys are doing good and feeling good out there. I am so loving how the season is coming through. It's so beautiful. I got on my warm and cozy sweater today. Yes, I hope you guys are enjoying it too. You clicked on this thumbnail because you've seen that I can show you how to get not one but two asthmatic themes in your phone, and I'm going to show you how I did that right now. So when I got my new iPhone 13, and of course we're going to do the unboxing and everything, you guys are going to see that. If you want to make sure that you keep up on all the videos that I'm throwing out, make sure that you subscribe at the link below, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. So anywho, when I got the new iPhone 13, I was going to get it in the pink. The pink is beautiful, okay? I've customized my little beauty here. There's another video coming with all my accessories that I use, but I was like, I want to do a pink theme. Now, y'all know if y'all watch my channel, I love me some purple, but I got to looking at stuff around my house. I was like, I got a lot of pink. I was like, okay. I was like, so we gonna see how this work out. So I wanted my theme to match my phone. So I came up with this thing, but I also wanted to keep you, like I said, I love my purple. So I also wanted to, if I wanted to switch back to my, because of course I love my purple. So again, I love having a variety. I don't like looking at the same thing all the time. Hence my hair change every time I come on here. Okay. And the theme and the kind of color spectrum and stuff that I wanted. So I came up with these two themes. So, and of course, everything that I bought, all the links to be down in the description box if you want to go get the same icons that I'm using. So make sure that you check that. And if you haven't checked out any of my other tech videos, I'm going to leave some links up here, some cards up here, and also some links in the description box to my other videos if you want to go check those out. All right, let's get started. All right, sweet. So the first thing you want to make sure you have is the Shortcuts app. You're going to go in, make sure that that's downloaded. You're going to search for it, find it, open it. And what we want to do is create a new one. You want to hit the plus sign and you want to create a new shortcut. We're going to go through and we're going to name it. Just for the test purposes, we're going to name this one Test. You want to go through and you want to add an action. The action is to open an app. So we're going to click that and then we're going to choose the app that we want this to open. Just for these purposes of the video, we're going to choose Express app. So you're going to choose that app and then we're going to go through and we're going to hit done. But I had another shortcut also named Test. So it's telling me that I already have one named Test. And so what I'm going to go through is I'm going to go through and call this one Test number 1. And so now we can go through and hit done, hit that arrow, and then it's going to launch this window. We're going to go through, we're going to choose our photo. Just going to choose this little satin thing just for our test purposes. We're going to add, and then we are going to swipe up, and you will see that it was added to our page. You click it, and it automatically opens the Express app. Next, we're going to talk about Etsy. This is where I have the icons where I bought them from. You can either have the Etsy app or go to Etsy.com. And these are the two lovely pink themes that I chose for my icons. I'll leave links below to these two so that you can go get the same icons. And I thought these were really a really good package. They were cheap. I think they were like $2.99. If I recall, $2.99 or $3.99, and they come with a plethora of apps, and they also give you some great wallpapers, and they also give you a list of the apps that you got, which is great because sometimes you never know what apps they are getting you. So this was the magenta package, and then this was the kind of like pale pink package, so that I can kind of have a variety. Both of them were very good. Like I said, you can download these, buy these instantly, and there's an instant download. So then after that, you want to make sure you go and download all of your files to your iCloud drive. It'll save you a lot of storage and a lot of time if you have them in your iCloud backup instead of in your photos, but to each his own. You can kind of put your files wherever you want. That's best for you. But this is kind of how I have mine set up, which is easily to also grab. Next up, we're going to talk about color widgets. Love this app. You're going to go in, you're going to swipe right, and then you're going to go down to color widgets, and you're going to add a color widget. They have different sizes that you want. You choose the size you want, you dump it. Then you're going to open the color widgets app. If you want to edit your color widget, you can do it at that time. You can also add different color widgets so you can have more than one. It's a lovely package. I am a pro member. There's so many things that you can do on here, so many color widgets that you can choose from and you can customize to your liking. I really think it's a benefit to go ahead and get the pro package if you're going to like customizing your phone later on. There's a lot of things to choose from here, and I really enjoy it. Different clocks, different colors, everything. I really love it. But for today, we're going to choose this countdown one. Countdown to Halloween. Yes. We're going to choose that, and we're going to go through and edit the widget. And here, there's a lot of customization as well. You can add different photos. You can add other Halloween photos to this if you want the background to change during the day. You can choose your different size, as you can see here. You can also choose your theme if you want the color change to be different. You can also choose your font. There's a plethora of font choices. This last font right here is my favorite. It's kind of like a script. I really like using that one. You can go in and change the text to whatever the countdown may be. I have one for my birthday, one for Christmas. Then you can also choose the date of whatever countdown date that you're leading it to. And then you can also go down and customize more. You can add a border if you want a border. And then with that border, you can choose the size of the border. So there's some great customization here. Then you go through and set the widget. And then you're going to swipe up. And as you can see, my widget has changed. And now there is our Halloween widget. Very quick, very easy. And then if you want to put it on your page, you're going to go through, hit the little bubble, and you're just going to swipe it and dump it to whatever page you're looking to add it to. Next, we're going to talk about Widgetsmith. You're going to go through, swipe right, hit edit, scroll all the way down till you find Widgetsmith, hit it, figure out which size you want. You're going to hit add Widgetsmith, drop it right here, hit done. Then you're going to type on that Widgetsmith, and there is where you can add a new one if you want to add a new Widgetsmith, or you can go in and choose one of the ones that you have already made. As you can see, I have a plethora of icons that I made because I said I went customize crazy. So you go down here, you add a small widget, click that. It'll open up this dialog. You can add a photo. You can go get photo albums from your, choose a photo from your photo album or have photos changing throughout the day. You can customize this. There's so many ways to customize this, and this is free. I did get the pro version only because I wanted to show up across all of my phones, but you don't have to have the pro version to even get all of these things. Most of these things are totally free. And as you can see, there's so much customization that you can do. You can add frames. I mean, there's a plethora of things that you can do to kind of customize your phone the way that you want it. So go customize crazy. For today, we're just going to choose this little snowy background as our little frame. We're going to choose a photo. Just going to click one of the photos that I'm looking to maybe be the face of this video, but we'll see if that turns out. But anywho, you're going to go through, you're going to hit save, you're going to drop it, you're going to swipe up. Lands on your page, you're going to hit edit widget. You're going to go in and choose the widget that you want, that you just created, or choose one that you previously created. And then turn it around, and boom, it lands right on your page. You're going to hit edit, and wherever you want it to land on your page, you're just going to swipe it over, and then it will land on your page. Simple, simple, simple. Next, we're going to talk about our customization. So as I said, here is one of my customization themes. So we're going to talk about how we're going to customize now that we have all of our tools. So you're going to hit the little arrow at the bottom with the little dots. And here are all of my pages that I have customized. So we're going to go through and we're going to figure out if we want the second theme. And how we do that is we uncheck the boxes for the first theme that we already have. And then you slide down and you put the little bubble and you hit the little check mark of the theme that you want to show currently. So you go through, figure those out. Then you go through, you hit done. And here is our second theme. Very quick, very easy to kind of switch through things during your day. And if you are using the focus modes, you can choose one of these pages, to be in when you go into your focus modes. We'll talk about that a little bit later. But here's my second theme. I wanted it to still, like I said, keep my purple into my theme. And so this is how I did it, and this is how I wanted my theme to look. Now I'm going to go through and show you that it is so much easier if you want to switch your pages. You don't have to go through all that rigmarole we have to with the last iOS update. This one, you can easily hold it, slide it over, slide it up, slide it down, wherever you want that page to be. And boom, that page will go there. Much, much easier. I love this about that update. Much easier for the customization people who love customizing, because it takes quite a while to do it. So now let's get into customizing our phone. Now that we have a blank canvas, we're going to go through, hit that plus sign, and we're going to go through and we're going to choose our color widget. So we're going to choose our size. We're going to let it drop on the page. And if you want more than one color widget, you want to create a stack, you just go through, choose another color widget, and then you just slide them over together. And then you have added your stack. Now we're going to go through and add a Widgetsmith. Choose the size you want, drop it. And if you want that one to be stacked, you do it the same way. You go through, add another Widgetsmith, choose your size, and then you stack them together. An easy stack. Yes. Now we're going to go through and we're going to choose which Widgetsmith photo we want. Now I have a ton here that I have created. So all you're going to do is hit Edit Widgetsmith. You're going to bring up the ones that you want. Choose the one that you want. And then you're going to turn it around, and then boom, there's your Widgetsmith. You go to the next one, hit Edit Widgetsmith. Again, you choose the Widgetsmith that you want. Go through, find it, the number that you want, turn it around, and then boom, there it is. Very easy. Takes a while to do these, you guys, trust me. Now we're going to do the same for the color widget. We're going to Edit Color Widget. We're going to go in and choose the one that we want. I'm going to go and choose number 5, and that is the Halloween theme. And then boom, it's there. So now we have two color Widgetsmith in one. So now we're going to talk about our customization. Again, go into the Shortcuts app, and we're going to figure out just one to drop on the screen just to show you. Let's do Bank of America. So we're going to choose the little dot, choose the little arrow at the bottom. And it's going to bring up Add to Home Screen. We're going to go through and choose File. We're going to go through our files and choose the icon that has the symbol for Bank of America. There it is. We're going to choose it. It lights up there. We hit Add, swipe up, and then it goes to our home screen. Let's do that one more time. So again, choose Shortcuts. We're going to exit out of here because we already used that one. Let's go through and do the phone. We're going to choose the arrow up. We're going to add to the home screen. We're going to go through, choose our file, and we're going to scroll through until we find the icon that has the phone on it. We're going to select it, hit add, then we're going to swipe up, and boom, it drops right on our page. And then we can move these around wherever we want. Trust me, you guys, this is going to take a while to get the customization done. If you have the time to do it, trust me, you will love your phone in the end. It's a lot of work, but it's beautiful. So now we're going to go back to our regular theme, and we're just going to go through and uncheck the pages that we don't want, check the pages that we do want. And then once we find those pages, you hit done. And then again, you will notice that you'll see there, it's a little buggy still. So they need to do some updates on these icons. And I don't know if it's Apple or if it's the icon folks, but somebody needs to do some updates. You'll see right here, I have all shortcuts for like my utilities. I just wanted the color theme to match everywhere. And as you can see, I'm just launching some of the apps and you can see that they launch very well with no issues. Again, there is some bugs in using the color widget and the Widgetsmith. Again, that's just going to have to be worked out. Also, keep in mind that with these themes, if you want to have your regular icons, you can only have your regular app icons on one theme. You cannot put them on two. That's why you see my second theme. I have all shortcut apps. I cannot have regular apps on both. It just will not work. But like I said, if you have the time and the energy to do this, it will turn out lovely. You will love your phone, love your customization, but it's going to take you some time. Trust me, this is not just a one-day theme or overnight theme. This took me some time to do this, but let's talk. All right, guys, so that's it for this video. And as always, was it a slay or nay? Comment below. Y'all know how we do on this video. These could be slays or nays too. So y'all let me know in the comments how it was, okay? And until the next video, of course, all my sweets, again, I love you for watching and almost commenting. And for the newbies, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe at the link below. And again, turn on your notification bells. And I'll see you in the next video out with that iPhone 13 Pro Max. Ew. Peace.